For today's video, where are we going, Daddy? Actually, we're going to the mall, and the same time we're gonna pick up the Dangon like baby table and chair, something like that, right?
For baby eating?
Yeah, for you not eating table, something like that. So let's see, mamaya. That's actually free. It's free.
Expensive that original price.
Yeah, original price is expensive. We checked already in online, but so expensive. That's why we got in Dangon free. So
That product original price is
200,000 won something.
230.
Yeah, over 200,000 won. So it's around something 10,000 in peso. But we got free in Dangon. So we were gonna pick up now, and after that we're going to mall and something malling.
You want to visit first there?
It's up to you. What's
there
your
until 4.
So we have to visit in the mall, and you are going to pick up the
I'm alone.
So okay. So let's see later. That chair. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy. You have to careful. Huh?
Very.
Some driver is also pali here. That's why many pang. Welcome to Kulinai TV. And going to the mall. We're going to the mall. May natutulog na batang makulit. You already buy? What's that?
It's for stamp.
For what?
After finish my lesson.
You have to stamp there. Stamp ano? Okay. I like this.
$14.
What do you think?
You check there first, mommy.
Where?
You know there.
Let's go there.
Here is good brand.
Here.
Branded.
Yeah.
Branded.
Good.
주 여기 들어가. 주 들어가 여기.
Can hear? Cannot hear. My wallet is there inside the bag. Hi guys, we are here now sa laundry area, something sa mga soap and downy. So guys, na-notice ko or new dito sa Korea, talagang 'di ba, like sa atin, merong mga tingi-tingi or something na mga per piece na mga like sabon, downy or any kind of products, 'di ba? Merong mga nasa per pack. Dito guys sa Korea, hindi ka makakahanap ng tigi-isang piraso lang or gusto mo lang isang piraso or maliit lang na items. Hindi ka makakabili dito sa Korea guys. Dito sa Korea, lahat ng products, lalo na sa mga itong mga sabon, mga downy, is malalaki siya guys. 3 liters, 2 liters, ayan, 2.7 liters, and mostly talaga guys is, ayan, ganito siya kalalaki. Kaya hindi ka pwede makabili ng parang tingi-tingi siya na tagi-isang peraso lang. So, parang dito siya guys, makakabili ka lang ng sobrang laki, sobrang dami. Kumbaga pang-stock mo na siya. Pang 1 month stock mo na siya. Kasi wala ditong mga, yung ano lang, yung alam mo yun, yung maliliit lang na parang pang isang gamitan mo lang. So, ito talagang pang matagalan na gamit siya, guys. So, makikita nyo, kahit sa mga powder nila, wala kang mahanap na ganito lang kaliit, small. Sobrang lalaki, 4 kilos. And then, may mga 2 kilos. Ganon dito, guys. Ganito, 1.4, more than 1 kilos pataas po yung mga items nila dito. So, hindi ka talaga makakahanap dito ng mura. Sobrang, yung price dito is triple kumbaga dyan sa atin. Triple or doble, parang ganon. So, gising na yung alaga ko. Hi, anyong! Yan, kakagising niya lang. Then, we wait na lang si daddy. Kasi si daddy nag-pick up pa doon ng baby chair niya, parang baby table chair niya na kakainan niya habang kumakain kami, nagjo-join din siya. Pineapple is 6,990. Melon 18,000 ang mahal Yung pakwan nila subak 4 kilogram 28,990. So ganyan kaliit lang siya guys. Kaji talong nila is 5,990. Tatlong peraso. Kubak is 6,990. Ganyan. May mais din sila guys. Ayan yung price. Tapos yung ibang klaseng kalabasa nila ganito. Pahaba. Yung pipino nila. Yan. Daddy! I bought this one. So you buy na yours. And rice. 1 sack. Yeah, 안녕.
유나 일어나 언제 일어났어?
just maybe 10 minutes ago.
지금 일어났어?
Just
유나.
wake up just 10 minutes. Wait. You want to drink uyo?
So many buy.
We buy some Yuna's foods, Yuna's snacks and foods for baby.
This is how much?
I don't know. And this is it. Ito na po yung nakuha namin na libre sa Dangon sa online po. Thank you for watching.